What's up guys, welcome back to the Bear Market Miner YouTube channel. Times are tough right now in the crypto world, but don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to change the game for you. If you're like me and love chasing the profitability and maximizing your earnings in this bear market, then you're in for a treat. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to import your rigs using an API key into Hashrate.no and tweak your hash rate and electricity usage to ensure that you're mining the most profitable coins daily. And let me tell you, this is going to be a game changer for your earnings. Now I know the idea of setting up an API key from hiveos might sound intimidating. Trust me, it's a very simple process and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's get into it. So the first step will be to create a Hashrate.no account. This is fairly straightforward. I'm sure none of you will need any instruction on how to do that. Once you've made an account, we're going to go to the top right, click on account, click on hardware, and go to import. So Cloudflare will want to verify your web browser to make sure you're not a bot, anything like that. Once that is done, it will ask for your API key. Now to get this API key, what we're first going to need to do is head over to our hiveos farm, click up in the top right and click on account. Now hiveos will ask you to type in a verification code which will send to your email address, so do that. Once that's done, you'll land at this page now with your Hive1 ID. So to find our API key, we're going to go into Sessions and we're going to click on this button here, Generate New Personal API Token. It's going to prompt you to give it a name. Let's just call it Hashrate.no and click Save. That will then send a verification code, 6-digit code to your email. You're going to enter that in, click Confirm. And once that's done, your session will pop up. So once you've entered in that verification code, we're going to go and click Show. It will ask for a 6-digit code from your email again. So we go into our email on our other page here, copy that code, and we enter it in and click Confirm. So as you can see now, it's confirmed that and you've created a personal token. So what letters we need is just underneath the name we've given it. So Hashrate.no, so we're copying and pasting this, bang, we're going back over to Hashrate.no, entering that in, clicking import. Now it should happen instantaneously for you. As you can see, it's worked for me right there. Now we have a couple of options here straight away. We can edit the rig or look at the rig estimate. So let's go into edit the rig first, just show you what we can do here. So basically we can just keep adding any more GPUs as we're upgrading our rigs. For the time being, as we're chasing profitability, let's go back, click on rig estimate. Click calculate for each rig. This is going to tell us profitability, revenue, power usage, etc. For each coin that we're using. As you can see up here next to my cards, or some of them I should say, we've got a little wrench icon here, and what this means is that I've tweaked my power and hash rate settings. So if we go back to here into custom hash rate, I'll show you exactly how we do this. So if we click on 3070 right here, as you can see there's an option for reset. I have already entered these stats in as I'm currently mining Radiant, so I'll show you the best way that I think to do this to get your mega hash and wattage. If we go over to our rig, click on mixed rig here where I've got my 3070s, as you can see I've got 6 of them, all different brands. Pretty much the same hash rate, but definitely different wattages for each. So what I like to do to get an average wattage and hash rate for all of them is we open our calculator and we start entering those numbers in. So we have 71 plus 70 plus 76 plus 77 plus 69 plus 72 equals, and then we divide that by the total number of 3070s we've got, which is 6, and that gives us an average wattage usage of 72.5. So we go back over here, I've already entered that in, click save, and I think it will round it up. Yeah, that's right. So what you can do that for all of your different algorithms, all of your different wattages, things that you're using for mining. What this is basically going to do is it's going to mean that, you know, if we're switching our rigs daily to get the most profitable coin, when we go into rig estimate, these numbers are going to be much more accurate. And in this bear market, you know, a matter of cents, a matter of wattages can make a big difference. You know, coins are going up and down all over the shop. Who knows what's happening at the moment? So there's a fair few different features you can have a look at. You know, if we go into Radiant, for instance, you know, we've got the price versus earnings, price versus reward, and you can basically pick your strategy, how you want to mine. Are you mining to earn as much coin as possible and hold it? Are you like me and you're mining to earn as much coin and then sell it or swap it for Bitcoin? It's up to you. So lots of different options. Hashrate.no is a great website. These guys have done an amazing job. Well, that about wraps it up, miners. Thanks so much for watching if you've made it this far. I know I had a bit of trouble setting up the hiveos API key and integrating it into Hashrate.no myself, so I hope some of you found this useful. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to support, a sub, like or comment would go a long way and will keep me motivated to put out more useful videos on everything GPU mining. I'll be putting out more videos weekly, so stay tuned. Hope everyone has a blessed day and happy mining.